Hello everyone, Dr. Cary Yurkiw here. Welcome to today's webinar. It's part of our webinar series that we do on Wednesdays. Today's webinar is on back pain, and we want to talk about what you can do to help yourself with back pain and what we do for patients in the clinic. So again, my name is Dr. Cary Yurkiw. I've seen thousands of patients in the clinic for a variety of conditions like back conditions, neck conditions, joints, and all the related symptoms. So sometimes people come in with back pain, but they have pain going down their leg, like sciatica, or they have pain in the neck and then pain going down their arm, or they have headaches. So there's a number of conditions related to the spine, and we see a lot of those symptoms in the clinic. I've done over 100,000 adjustments. We primarily use hands-on and instrument adjustments, but we do table adjustments as well. So we use more traditional techniques and some contemporary techniques too, to work on the spine. I'm located at the Landmark 4 building, which is in Kelowna, and currently we're accepting new patients. So if you're interested in having your back checked, please wait till the end of the webinar. We'll give you an opportunity to click on the link in our post and then book an appointment. So what is chiropractic? Well, chiropractic started over 100 years ago, and it's based on the spine and bone in the spine being out of place causing conditions. And if the bone in the spine is replaced back in the correct position, it reduces or eliminates those symptoms. So that's how it started. And it's evolved as a profession. The science of chiropractic has evolved, the art, the way we practice, and then the philosophy. The philosophy of why we do what we do. And I practice chiropractic using traditional and contemporary techniques. So basically a blend of the traditional techniques and the newer techniques, whatever is going to help the patient the best. So how can we help you get out of pain? Well, number one, we want to understand your condition. So when you come into the clinic, we want to do an assessment, do a history and understand where you've come from, if there's been injuries or accidents. And then we want to assess the ranges of motion, the posture, the alignment to the spine. Sometimes we'll do special testing like x-rays. We have digital x-ray in the clinic, and that'll help us to diagnose the condition correctly. And once we have the proper diagnosis, we'll start with treatment, and we'll tell you what we found out, what we would like to do for treatment, and with your consent, we'll start with the treatment in the clinic. We'll also give you recommendations, and the recommendations will be based on your condition and what we believe can help you at that time. So initially, when you're dealing with pain, you might just want to get out of pain. And so we'll give you recommendations like ice or heat, or the way to sleep, proper sleep posture. And then as the treatments progress, we'll give you stretches and exercises, then strengthening, and other lifestyle tips to help you to stay healthy. So we want to progress through the stages of care in the clinic. How can we help you get out of pain? Well, we use safe, gentle, and effective chiropractic care in the clinic. We use hands-on and instrument adjustments. So we use traditional and more contemporary techniques. And then we want to follow up with you, make sure your body's healing, give you the best recommendations so that the pain is reduced or eliminated, the function is restored, and then you get your quality of life back. So how can we help you to get the quality of life back? Well, number one, we want to assess your alignment and your posture. Two, we want to increase the function and the strength of the spine and the joints. We want to reduce and eliminate the pain. We want to give you more confidence to do more. So as your back's healing, give you the right advice to do certain things and not do other things. So we want to give you the best advice so your back can continue to heal. And we know long-term you want to go back to work. You want to spend more time with family. You want to be able to do your hobbies and travel and garden and all those great things that people love to do. As far as tips, I would say the number one tip that I give people is to get a proper assessment. You want to understand your condition and your body better. So go see a chiropractor, get an assessment done, and get a second opinion if necessary. The second tip I have is to take action. So don't suffer with the pain, but go and do something about it. get a professional to give you the best advice, whether it's ice or heat, or the proper posture, the sleep position, any supports you might need. And then third is to get active. So at the right time, the health professional, the chiropractor, will give you the best advice as far as starting an exercise program. Exercise programs like yoga can really help with the spine and the posture. And then other lifestyle changes that you might need to make in order for your body to heal properly. If you want to book an appointment with us, you can click on the link below. We're offering you $15 off your first appointment today. So if you click on that link, you'll be able to go to the scheduling screen and then book an appointment. All you have to do is put in your first and last name, your phone number, and the reason why you want to book an appointment. You'll get a confirmation, and then we'll send you the paperwork to do at home, and then we'll see you at the office for your first visit. It's really easy. I did write a book on back pain. It's on Amazon. If you type in my name and back pain, you'll find it. And it's in 3 different formats. There's the audiobook, there's the ebook format, and the paperback. I did write a subsequent book on neck pain, which included headaches, whiplash, and concussions. That's on Amazon as well in the 3 different formats. So feel free to type in neck pain in my name and you'll find that there. As far as other conditions and webinars we have on Wednesdays, we do our webinars here on Facebook Live, but we also do webinars over on Eventbrite and YouTube Live. So we do webinars on joint pain, neck pain, headaches, sciatica. So this is just a few examples of the different webinars that we do. Often the free webinars are recorded and they're put up on our social media channels. So I'll get to that in a sec, but you can follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel and our podcast, and you'll get these webinars as well as tips in between the webinars. So as we're developing webinars, we're talking about the different tips and the different the information that we're researching and putting into these webinars. So feel free to follow us on social media as well. On social media, it's at Dr. Cary Yurkiw, so it's really easy to follow our handle. Our podcast is called SuperHealthy. That's on Android and Apple. You'll find it on all those channels like Spotify, Google Music, Apple iTunes. On YouTube, at Dr. Cary Yurkiw, find all these recorded webinars. Our website, caryurkiw.com. And again, if you want to book an appointment, feel free to click on the link below. You can easily go to the scheduling screen, book that appointment, and then you'll get $15 off for booking online. So we want to thank you for joining us today. Please join us for future webinars, and they're done on Wednesdays. So please go to our Facebook page, follow us there, or our Eventbrite page, Dr. Cary Yurkiw, Yurkiw Chiropractic. And we hope to see you at the clinic soon.